Hi, and welcome to the Agile Academy. In this Agile in Practice talk, we'd like to address how Agile teams come up with a definition of done that will help them to decide when the work is completed. For Agile teams, done means that nothing more needs to be done for a piece of work to be taken into production or go live. While Agile teams come to an agreement on the definition of done, they will brainstorm what tasks need to be done and what artifacts need to be produced to bring a single story or a piece of functionality into production. They will identify what can be done and what can't be done. They will also capture the blockers for the can't be done items and then get consensus on what can be done items. The definition of done is important for Agile teams to accurately measure the progress of their work. The whole team, including their customer, Jen, the HR team leader, is involved in coming to a definition of done, and they revisit it regularly to update it. Here is Susan, the business analyst of the team. She explains what the definition of done is to the team so they can get a shared understanding. Essentially, done means that the customer, our product owner, is happy with what the team has delivered and has signed off on all the stories. However, she continues, since a story goes through a development process, you can identify smaller checkpoints of done along the way. For example, only after I have captured enough acceptance criteria and assumptions for a user story can it be picked up by the developers. Since all of this information doesn't fit on a story card, I capture them in what I like to call a narrative, which is my artifact to express done. These might be a sketch of a feedback form, a prototype screenshot, and even some technical considerations. Tom, the developer, continues the explanation. In order to get a story closer to done, my piece of work has to be reviewed by another developer and successfully integrated into the current version of the solution. Damien says, another checkpoint on the road to getting a story done is that we have implemented the feedback of users, ensuring that a story meets user experience satisfaction. Above all, it means that Jen, as our customer and product owner, has tested the story and approved it. In fact, a story is done when it passes all tests that are created based on the acceptance criteria Susan, our business analyst, has captured. This will include performance tests, which means testing the response time of the system when a lot of people use it at the same time. That's our definition of done as developers. What about for you as a product owner, Jen? Well, Damien, as a customer, I'd say that the work is done when the employees of our company have an easy-to-use system in which they can fill in and access performance feedback. Bill sums up the team's discussion. So, let's have a look at what we have come up with for our definition of done. Whether it is a story, a feature, an iteration, or for a whole release of our product or a system, the work is done when we, as a team, truly believe that we will not have to touch it again. In this Agile in Practice talk, you learned that Agile teams come to a consensus about what done means when they use a definition to track the progress of their work. This progress is displayed in burn charts, an Agile metric that is a topic for another time and worth checking out on our website. If you want to learn more about Agile, the Agile Academy offers a range of courses delivered by accredited trainers and lots of open source material, which you can find on our website. If you have any questions, also feel free to contact us on our website or drop us a line on Twitter. Thank you, and enjoy your Agile journey.